first thing I'm going to do is put the beads in a pattern so that I know exactly what they're going to look like as a bracelet. Now you can put them in a line or a row and make your pattern that way, but I like to do it round as if it's a bracelet already. That way I know exactly how it's going to look like in the end. In this project you will need a sewing needle, a pair of nail clippers or scissors, and elastic cord or thread. After I thread the elastic cord, I like to wrap it around my wrist and kind of get an idea of how much I'll need. I usually give myself a little bit extra because I have really petite wrists. At this point, I like to tie the end of the elastic cord about 2 times and then clamp it with the clamp.
Ow!
I'm going to start with the bead from the very back of the bracelet, and I'm going to keep putting beads on until I get to the end. This is an example of another bracelet that I made using the exact method. So as you can see, there's a bead in the back. This is because the beads themselves are kind of strange shaped. They're not all the way around and they kind of have a flat end to them. So I put a bead in the back to stop them from looking odd. And while editing this video, I just now realized it's missing a gold bead. With the bracelet I'm making now, I'm not going to add a bead in the back because one of the beads are very round and it's going to be in the very back. It's basically going to act as a bead. Alright, so here's my bracelet laid out flat. This row faces that way and this row faces that way. I like to do that so it has an interesting effect. And here's that bead again I was talking about that's round, so I don't need to put another bead back there. And now it's time to tie this thing. Cut the ends. Make sure that. Oh no. Alright, so that was the process of making a beaded bracelet, and it's awesome because these can be custom made to match with any outfit. So let me know if you liked it, and let me know in the comments what kind of resin things you create.